Welcome to our quick at-home workout. We are doing a proper HIIT today. 30 seconds of activity followed by 90 seconds of rest for 6 rounds. 30 seconds doesn't seem like a lot, but I ask you, give max effort. If you can't go the 30 seconds, truncate it. That's fine. Just do what you can do, but do your best. This is gonna increase our longevity, boost metabolism, and so much more. You ready to get started? Let's go. I'm gonna run. If you wanna do modified step jack, seated jack, whatever you can do, do it. But give it 100% effort. I'll mind the clock. You ready? Let's go. 30 seconds. Full effort. We're halfway there. Come on. Almost. Rest. I'm going to move my timer. You can see it a little bit better. Active rest. I will try to talk through why this workout is so amazing. It's going to be difficult. Do your very best. It's the recovery that really shows where our fitness level's at. If you need a longer recovery, pause the video, shorten how long you do the exercise, perfectly fine. To me, the reason I like to run, work the arms, gauge the core. It's a full body. If this is what you want to do, you can do that for 3 seconds. Do it seated in your chair, doing jacks. Whatever you can do is fine. We're going to do this a few times over this challenge. The data is just too amazing about how this short HIIT workout can increase the quality of our life exponentially. Okay, 10 seconds, full effort. Come on. Let's do this together. We get strong together. Here we go. 30 seconds. Full effort. Oh. Halfway. Come on. I had to quit. Come on, push yourself. I think I can. I think I can. And stop. Active recovery. Move. Barbara O'Neill, look her up. An amazing health teacher. The more I listen to her, she's where she talks so much about this HIIT workout. She's got to be in her 70s. Just looks so amazing. So natural, fit, intelligent. And just speaks of when we do this HIIT workout, especially in the mornings, it's sort of like sparking a fire in our bellies, boosting our metabolism. So then we go to eat. We've laid these bed of hot coals, and we go eat those incredibly nourishing, healthy whole foods. We're just adding on to the fire, and it just burns so much more readily, quickly. It gives us that energy we need. Boost our metabolism. Okay, remember only 6 rounds. This is round 3. 2 seconds, here we go. Come on, do your best. Do not quit on me. Here we go. Do one of these, come on. Let's go. Halfway. Feel the burn. Own your suffering. Stay upright. And just breathe. We're halfway there. Come on. 3 more rounds. We can do this. You could do punches for 30 seconds. That would be amazing. This is super simple, just not easy. But think about it. This whole workout is over and done in 10.5 minutes. And it's only 3 minutes of actual activity. And I think in terms of what we can get accomplished, this workout is better than going for an hour-long run. Because right now, lactic acid is coming down. As opposed to when we're on a run, it just keeps going up. We go hard, lactic acid rises. When we come now in recovery, lactic acid is coming down, aiding recovery. We're not gonna be as sore and stiff. 15 seconds and we're going again. Look in the description. I'll put all the science and everything that's why this is so important. I just can't articulate right now because it's hard to talk. Ready? Here we go. 30 seconds. Do your best. Own your suffering. I choose discomfort. Come on, almost there. Stay up. That was 4, right? 2 more to go. Listen, this is hard for me. I work out every day. I cycle every day. I do other workouts. Not workouts, I just move constantly. And this is difficult and challenging for me. So if you need to shorten the amount of time, by all means do it. That's okay. We'll get to the 30 seconds at some point, it's fine. Anything you can do to ramp up the heart rate is only gonna improve our cardiovascular endurance. The longest lived people, they have good cardiovascular health. Keep moving. This workout is brought to you out of love, I promise. I love simple movement, simple morning movement just to get the body going. But there was just too much data about this, how this is gonna really increase our health and longevity. We want the last couple decades of our lives to be as good as the first couple. And workouts like this, it's gonna give us a much better opportunity to live well into our old age. Oh, we gotta get going. Come on, 2 more. Ready? Let's do it. Full effort. Come on. I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. I think I can. Come on. Don't quit. 5 seconds. Come on. Just push. Push. No toxic thoughts. I am strong. I am strong. Powerful. 1 round to go. You're gonna feel the effects of this all day. Your body is gonna be acting like you're still working out for hours. If you're trying to lose weight, this is an incredible workout to do it. And it's only 10.5 minutes long. Come on, we can do this. Maybe we'll do more of these. I'd love to know what you think. Please let me know in the comment section. And if you've come this far and you're one of the 75+% of people that have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe, like the video, please help us grow. Want to build a community that supports each other, stays physically active, eats nourishing foods, develops relationships, positive mindset, prioritizes sleep, where we're so consumed with our own personal development, we have no time to judge or criticize anybody else. Oh, that's liberating, baby. Let's make this a better world. One person at a time. We do that as an amazing community. So please subscribe. Last round. Come on, let's go. Full effort. No quit. No quitting. I don't quit. I don't quit. 15 seconds. Come on. We're almost there. We did it. We're done. Walk with me though, please. If you need to go and you're done, amazing, you're done. Workout's over. I want to take a minute of a cool down, a bit of a walking meditation. Real deliberate. And notice how you focus on your breath. How you bring calmness. Be real intentional, rather than, no. Just walk with me. Chest up, shoulders back, integrity. Breathe. Just connect to the breath. One breath can make all the difference. Well done today. I want to talk about walking with your head up. Shoulders back, chest held high. This is a major accomplishment today. This is a hard workout. If you've made it this far, kudos to you. This is 28-day challenge. We're gonna do a few more of these. They're just too important of a workout not to. And I promise I present it with love. Get out there today. Be productive. Be positive. And be joyful. I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.